Hello everyone, let's come back to the next video on LWC. So here as you can see there is one map with the name of product map. Then in this I am setting the value where key is the product name and value is the object where two values we are having, one is price and one is category. So this will going to be considered as the key, okay, which is of a string type. Basically in the JS we are not having any data types, but for the understanding purpose you can consider this as of a string type, and this is of object type where two values are added, price and category. Now what I want to do, I want to create a array with the help of this map. So basically I want to convert this map to an array. So how you can do this? So one array I'm already having, which the name of array is product array. The product, this is the one, and we are having one JS function which is known as array dot from, and using this we will be now successfully able to convert the map to the array. So what you need to pass, two parameters are there in this method. Here let me add the equals to. So the first parameter you will going to pass the name of the map from which you want to access the value. So this will going to be the name. Now next parameter will come to access the values. Now in the next parameter finally we will going to access the values where key and value will be the variables using which we will access the value from the map. And finally after this, using the arrow function, you will going to add the values within the curly braces. So let's have the values here. What do you need to add? Let me close this here. Let's remove this. Now this is correct. Now what you need to do, one by one I will going to add the value. So this is your array. This array will going to have the values in form of object. Okay, so here at first index object will be there. In this object all these three values we will going to add. Second index will be there, again the second object will be there which contains all three values. So here name I will going to assign as the key name, okay, which is there as the key. So this will going to be the key of the map, the name. Now next I want to assign the price. So in price what you need to access, this is in your value of this map, two things are there, one is price and one is category. So from value we will going to access the price. So this comes the price here like this. Finally in the category also I want to pass the value. So in category from the value only I need to access this. So now here comes the category. This is how at each index a object will be stored. This object will going to contain three values, name, price and category. Okay, so name will be the key. At key it contains name, product name. Value will be the